Stop for a moment and think about this. Time, your past, your present, your future, is something Allah created. But Allah Himself is not inside that time. What does that really mean? It means Allah is never early, never late, never limited. And it changes how you understand dua, forgiveness, destiny, and your entire life. Time, for us, is a flow. Past, then present, then future. You were born, you grow, you age. That movement is time. But Allah is the creator of everything, and that includes time itself. So He is not bound by it the way we are. Allah says in the Qur'an, He is the first and the last, the outward and the inward. The scholars explain, the first means nothing existed before Him. The last means nothing will remain after Him. He has no beginning and no ending. This is not the description of someone living inside time. This is the description of the one who created time. Allah also says, we created man, and we know what his soul whispers to him, and we are closer to him than his jugular vein. Allah knows your past, your present, and your future instantly, not because He moves through time like we do, but because His knowledge and His power are perfect. There is an authentic hadith where the Prophet ﷺ warned, a person may wake up a believer and by evening become a disbeliever. He told us hearts can flip in moments, especially near the end of times. This doesn't mean Allah changes. It means we change when we distance ourselves from Him. Allah turns away from the one who chooses sin, arrogance, or rebellion. And that is the most terrifying loss a human being can face. Think about it logically. If Allah were inside time, He would change. He would be younger or older. Events would affect Him. But Allah is perfect, eternal, unchanging. So He cannot be a creature inside the timeline He Himself created. Time limits created beings, but the Creator cannot be limited. Then people ask, if Allah is beyond time, how does He answer my dua right now? The answer is simple. Allah's knowledge and will are perfect. He sees the entire timeline, but He interacts with His creation within the flow of time. When you raise your hands and make dua, He hears you immediately and responds as He wills, and you see the result unfold in your timeline. Another common question, if Allah already knows everything, do I still have free will? Yes, you absolutely do. Allah knowing does not mean Allah forcing. Just like a historian knowing what happened last year does not mean they caused it, Allah's knowledge does not remove your choices. You act, you choose, and you are responsible. So what does all of this mean for you, practically? It means you should have hope. Because Allah is not bound by time, it is never too late to return to Him. He can forgive your past, fix your present, and open a new future instantly. It means you should feel urgency. Your heart can change quickly, so protect it before it's too late. It means your dua matters more than you think. You are calling upon the one who knows every moment of your life at once. No moment is hidden. No tear is unnoticed. No whisper is lost. And it means you should value your time because you are inside it, and every second is part of your test. So remember, time is created. Allah is not inside it. Allah is the one who controls time, and He is closer to you than you can ever imagine. Say this from your heart. O Allah, forgive me, guide my heart, and never leave me to myself. If this touched you, comment, Ya Allah, and follow Ilm Echo for more reminders that bring you closer to Him.